Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got a plus size clothing store, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sats services yet, Marty Sats is the easiest way to create a simple website for a small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, first thing it's going to do is ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, plus size clothing store. There is the template there. I'm now going to go ahead and select it. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our plus size clothing store so it can generate a website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address. Awesome. Where is our plus size clothing store located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my street address over here as well as my postal code. Great. Let's move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? What are our open hours for our customers? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review. Make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make the necessary changes. Awesome, so look at that. Marty's House has literally generated a simple website for my plus size clothing store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some really great images of the different clothing items your store stocks, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making the changes just so you can see how easy it is to use. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to scroll to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section. I want to make sure this box is ticked so my email address is displayed on my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, and that phone number is click to call. With our address, we already put in the details and that is displayed in the top left-hand corner. The great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your store. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our various social media platforms that our clothing store is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner. Customers can easily follow your social media accounts, get some engagement, and see what your business is up to. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your business, Mighty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Logo has been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and move along. Now with Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you. Maybe it doesn't quite go with your logo, your business cards, your signage throughout your store, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I want something quite light, neutral, feminine, because my brand is all about being feminine, embracing your curves, embracing your body. So I want something quite neutral, maybe, or maybe lights or pink or something like that. Let me see what my options are. Let's go ahead and see. That one could work, but I want to try one more. I actually really like this one. It's really neutral, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Goes with my branding very well. I'm now going to head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Now, Mighty sites will automatically search for plus size clothing store, but I do want you to play around with the terms a little bit. So let's just search for plus size and see what pops up, if anything. So I do see one or two suitable images over here. Let me look at one more page. There are a few great options here. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'm pretty spoiled for choice here. They're all like really professional and really suitable for my brand. Let's look at one more page. Okay, so I'm going to choose one from these ones. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Awesome. Look at that. Looks really great. I'm now going to head over to update content. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle to suit your needs. Button, it doesn't have to say get in touch. Perhaps you just wanted to say get directions. So let's update that and hit to choose link. Now we can link to another website if it's necessary. We can link to an action like click to call directions. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as directions for this one. If you have a catalog in PDF format, go ahead and upload it here. That's one of my favorite options. So maybe you want your customers, when they click on that button, to automatically take them to the PDF file, the catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and let's move along. Over here, again, pre-written content for you. Button can link to various places. If you want to make changes, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how your business came to be, what made you get into the plus size clothing industry. Do you offer sizes 10 to 40, ensuring that every woman can find clothing that fits her body type and style preferences? What sort of products you stock? Do you celebrate diversity and body positivity, offering clothes that empower women of all shapes and sizes? Go ahead and put your story over here. Your customers would love to be inspired in how you got into this industry. Awesome. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of the different products you stock, services you offer. Do you stock dresses, sleepwear, lingerie, fashion tops, pants, activewear, sweaters, skirts? Go ahead and pop all the details over here so your customers know exactly what they can come to your store for. If you need to make any last changes to that address, physical location, trading hours, go ahead and click on update section over here. Awesome. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our plus size clothing store, generated the website, made a few changes in not even 10 minutes. It really was such a breeze. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So do click on the link below this video. Give it a go, give it a bash. You've got nothing to lose. See how well and how easy it is to use the Mighty Sites platform. Now, if you've got a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube video on our channel, by the way, on linking it, as well as a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com. Head over to the blog, find that article on linking your custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of helpful articles over here on marketing your business online in the community. Do check it out. You'll find lots of valuable information here in marketing. If you don't have a domain, click on I want a new domain because it's really exciting. You can now purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've just introduced the feature to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching and running a website for your plus size clothing store. I really hope this tutorial was helpful today in building a website for your business. If you have any suggestions, any questions, anything along those lines, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. We really appreciate it. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.